Hey guys, guess what? I didn't go to school today because I had a bad headache this morning. And I was just about to go out and get some groceries with my brother and shovel some snow. But a package came. So I'm going to open it. I didn't think it would come like this. Oh well. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a. I can open this bubble wrap. It's my Babylon Tower. That is very different than I expected. Very smaller than I thought. How do I open this now? Wow, that's like. I don't know how to open this. How do we open it? I think this is how you do it. What is this? Well, something about the tower. I don't know what it is, but I think it's like instructions on how it works and stuff. Okay. Well, these things are a lot smaller than they look on the computer. Oh, it's on the little notch thing is on the black and yellow side. That is really cool. That's really awesome. I don't want to scramble this though, because I don't know how to. How are you supposed to move this? Oh, I get it. Okay. But yeah, it's the Babylon Tower. And it's a lot different than expected. But it's still cool. And I think I paid like $18, $19 for this. Yeah, basically 12 days. It's 11 to 12 days for this to come. It's still pretty cool. So, is there a screw there? There's like a screw thing there. Oh, that's weird. It's like, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, so that's the Babylon Tower, and I'm still waiting for the other videos or the other packages. I'll try to do a more distinct review on this later because I gotta go. But wow, that's really tiny. Okay, so I hope to see you guys next video. Comment, leave a message, anything. I'll talk to you later. Bye.